Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup SSH keys securely using Bitwarden Vault detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Bitwarden Vault in your preferred web browser. Log in to your Bitwarden account using your credentials. Navigate to the Add Items section by clicking the plus icon. Choose the Secure Note option from the drop-down menu. In the title field, enter a descriptive name for your SSH key backup. In the Notes section, paste the contents of your SSH public key. If desired, you can also include a brief description or any relevant tags to help with organization. For added security, check the box to enable two-step login if you haven't already. To store your private key, create another secure note following the same steps. Paste your SSH private key in the Notes section of the second secure note. Ensure that you review the contents carefully for accuracy. Set the appropriate permissions for any sensitive information. Once you've added both secure notes, click Save to finalize your entries. Next, confirm that both notes are stored securely within your vault. It is advisable to enable two-factor authentication on your Bitwarden account for an extra layer of security. Make sure to update your SSH key backups regularly or whenever you generate new keys. Finally, always keep your Bitwarden account secure with a strong master password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.